Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for mechanical graduate, electrical graduate and chemical graduate. Name of the company is Relaxo Footwear Private Limited. You can type Relaxo career in Google, and if you give a search, you will be getting following result. And here you need to choose career Relaxo. Choose on this so that you will be reaching the official website of the company. This is the official website. Here we are going to search the job. Click search jobs. Blue icon will be there. Click on it so that you can find various results. Almost 12 jobs available. So click on search job. Click on search job. So here you can see various job opportunity. The first one which we are going to see is sales officer. Click on it, sales officer. So if you are interested in sales and marketing means, then you can go ahead, and job location is mostly north. They haven't specified it. So if you are willing to work in north means, you can click on apply and apply for this job. So let us see the responsibilities or requirements which they expect from us. So it's a market mapping. You need to understand the business and analyze the market. By collecting the basic information, you have to map the market to understand the territory, population, number of retailers, brand presence and product awareness and competitors presence. So you have to analyze and give a report. There will be two different types of sales. One will be primary and secondary. You have to look after the primary and secondary sales and have to increase the penetration of the market. You have to ensure the achievements of the sales target, and you have to personally visit the retailer and distributor and handle and distribute effectively. So these are the things which you need to do. And when you scroll down, you can also see the other things. You have to report to the assistant manager or deputy manager of sales, and you have to ensure the extensive coverage of traveling in the allotted area. So if you are willing mean, you can just click on apply and apply for this job. So come back. Now we see another job, that is graduate engineer training. Click on graduate engineer training. So here if you are willing means, you can click on apply and apply for this job. So who and all can apply is those who have BE or BTech in mechanical, production, electrical, chemical with first division through the academic career can apply. So you will be given a training for 1 year, and after that, based on your performance, you will be extended your work presence in the company. So what are the area you need to focus on in inventory control, documentation and reporting, manpower handling, production planning, maintenance and housekeeping. So these are the areas which you need to be focused. And other behaviors like you should be a good initiator, and management skills you must have, and you must be a team leader, and your leadership should be shown, and it should encourage the other teammates also. So these are the do's and don'ts and things which they expect from you. So if you are comfortable and fit for this means, then you can click on apply. So if you are willing to work means, just click on apply icon. So once you click on apply, they will be asking mail ID and password. If you already registered means, then you can use that. If not means, you have to create an account. Click here, you have to create an account. Create an account by giving your basic details like name, first name, last name, registered mail ID, registered mobile number, and you have to fill all the informations whatever they ask, and after that account will be created. Okay, so you need to fill all the instruction. So once the account is created, you will be getting a password in your mail ID. So you have to use the mail ID and password and then apply for this job. So I hope so this video will be very clear and helpful for mechanical, electrical and chemical graduate. So kindly share with them, and do subscribe our channel. Stay tuned with our channel. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.